Working with industry, having a clear picture of the end user is very important for the research here at Wingquist Laboratory.
It's been truly inspirational to see how the Wingquist Laboratory has built on strategic strengths, created strong co-creation between academia and industry, and been very successful.
For 20 years, the Wingquist Laboratory has contributed to building knowledge and to directly contributed to digitalization of industry.
We really enjoy the environment that is created in this consortia.
Now after several years together, we know each other and we know each other's needs and possibilities.
Several good examples of research projects which have been within Wingquist Lab.
You integrate both the knowledge and know-how from the researchers very close to the tools that are developed, immediately answering to the questions and the needs from the industry.
The best things I see with the Wingquist Laboratory is the dedicated work they do, and they're becoming very efficient to fulfill our needs in their products they deliver to industry.
I think the collaboration with the Wingquist Laboratory is very fruitful because they listen to what industry needs.
There are several advantages of being part of Wingquist, one of them being that we complement each other as research groups.
Through the Wingquist brand, get much better connection with and interest from industry.
We have a high industrial impact. We can do things that the Swedish companies and companies abroad really need, and also that we have a high level of scientific excellence.
By combining the competencies of the 4 research groups, we are able to attack and resolve problems that otherwise would have been impossible.
We have run 150 research projects. We have published nearly 800 scientific publications, and we have today 180 companies that are using our methods and tools in their daily business. We have produced 56 PhDs that are working in industry today, and we have trained over 500 engineers in industry. The main factors for success, I think, that we had a very clear focus on a totally virtual product realization process.